My name is Godbright, the founder of inov-ai. Today, I'm going to show you how you start your feedback collection journey with inov-ai through sites creation. Now, as you know, inov-ai is a feedback collection and analytics tool, and we have a lot of services that we provide through the platform. But today, I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how to create, or rather how to add your site in our product. So to first create your site, you'll go to Site Hub, and then a menu will appear with different services that we provide. But for today, we want to go to Site Management, and then after clicking Site Management, you click on Create Site. So after clicking Create Site, you will enter the name of your site. We can say, for example, inov-ai, and then you'll enter the URL of your site. So this will be inov-ai.io, let's say, and then you'll continue, and then you'll continue, and then you'll make sure the information is correct, and then you create site. So after creating site, the site inov-ai will be available for customization. Now, there are a lot of customizations that can be done, but for today, I'm going to show you only the basic customization. So you can change the primary color. So for example, if your brand color is, let's say, red or blue or pink, you can just paste it here, the color code, and then the brand color of the widget will change. And the widget we are talking about is this one. So for example, if you want to change the position of the widget, you can say bottom left, and you can see the position has changed. And at the same time, you can choose, for example, this to be get feedback. So you can see here the button has changed. You can also choose the categories of feedback to be collected. So you can also add it here or change here. And after that, you will copy this script, which you are going to paste to your HTML or index.html page on your site. Now, we have a comprehensive documentation on our landing page that you can utilize to be able to integrate inov-ai to your site. So after doing all those changes, you will save changes, and the widget will be available for you to use. Now, this is just a snippet of what you can do with the customization of a widget. You can do other things such as advanced settings where you change the size of the widget and many other things. And then apart from this widget just appearing on your site, you can also share the widget with other people. So for example, with the inov-ai widget that we just created, you can go to feedback links where you can select the site. So when you select the site, you see you'll get a customized link that you can use now to share the form for feedback. Now, this is very much separate from the widget that will be appearing on your site. This one you will be able to use it or share it to, let's say, email or LinkedIn post or Twitter or X post. So I will now continue and show you how it looks. So you can see I've just pasted the link that I just copied to my browser. So you can see your users can just be able to like enter the kind of feedback that they want to add, and then can be able to add their own information. And then after that, they will submit the feedback. Now, the feedback that is submitted through this form or the widget that you will integrate to your site will now appear here on your site. So you can see on your feedback portal. So you can see all the feedback that you have been receiving from your users, and you can be able to export it or process with AI. Thank you very much for following through the tutorial, and I'm very much sure that you guys will find all the use cases and more use cases to the widget and the shareable link. For the link to the website, you can find it in the comment section. I am very, very excited to see all the use cases that you guys will have. Thank you very much.